Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a useful object in your home that you can't live without. You should say what it is, how often you use it, how you use it, and explain why you can't live without it. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Well, there are plenty of items in my household which are indispensable, and it's hard to imagine living without them. And today, I would like to talk about my smartwatch, which plays a crucial role in my everyday life. So, household means home. Indispensable means something that is absolutely necessary. Crucial means important. Plenty means a lot or many. So basically in the introduction we are just saying that there are a lot of items in my house which are very necessary for me, and today I would be speaking about my smartwatch which plays a very important role in my everyday life or daily life. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I use this digital watch daily throughout the entire day, beginning in the morning when it helps to track my walking distance during my morning walk session. Additionally, I am quite conscious about my health and fitness, and this electronic gadget assists me to record my daily calorie intake and make appropriate dietary changes if required, as well as aids in monitoring heart rate and sleep patterns. So we have started elaborating about the usage of the smartwatch, that it helps me to track my daily steps because I am a health and fitness conscious person, and also it helps to record the daily calories. That means how much calories you are consuming in a day. It helps you to keep a track of that as well. So if you are taking more calories than required in a day, you can make some changes in your diet and make sure that you are following the calorie amount for that particular day. So that's what we are trying to tell here. Besides that, it is particularly useful for managing my study schedule, providing reminders, receiving calls, and managing notifications effectively during my tuition when I am unable to access my cell phone, as well as listening to music during my break time, making it an icing on the cake. So, we are further elaborating on its uses and saying how it is helpful to me as a student as well. So, what we are trying to tell here is that it helps me to manage my schedule for studies and also provides me reminders so that I can complete my task in a particular time. Also, when I am going for my tuitions, I cannot have access to my cell phone. So, that time the smartwatch also helps me to receive calls and also manage notification and messages accordingly. Okay. We have also used an idiom here which is icing on the cake, which means to make something good even better. So we have answered the first three questions. The last question, which is explain why you can't live without it, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I cannot survive without my smartwatch as it offers unparalleled convenience and functionality at my fingertips and resembles a smartphone that can be worn around my wrist, providing a one stop solution for all my daily needs in a cost effective manner. To survive means live. Unparalleled means something that cannot be matched. At my fingertips again is an idiom which means very easily. Resembles means to be similar to something. And cost effective manner, that means budget friendly option. So basically what we are trying to say in the last part is that I cannot live without my smartwatch or survive without my smartwatch because it's very convenient to use and it has lot of functions that can be done very easily and quickly. And also it is like a mini smartphone that can be just put around my wrist and is also a very budget friendly option. Okay. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.